Well, this is unusual. They already all up. It's not even 2 o'clock yet. Hopefully I don't forget to shut the gate today. That was a pain in the butt yesterday. Go give them their reward. Can't really say come on everybody because everybody's already in there. Come on. Oh, there's a couple of them that are still up. Yes, I hear y'all. Yeah, y'all did a good job. Yeah, good job. Yes, I hear y'all. Here. Make sure everybody's in here. Nope, Blackie's out. Fatty's out. And a couple other ones are out. What the heck is that? Oh, there's Fatty. Going the wrong way, Mama. You gotta go back the other way. Come on, you can't fly. Come on. Come on. Come on, get in there. Get in. Get in. Blackie can fly, so I'm not really worried about her. Ha! Gate's locked today. But I am missing another gray one. All my ducks are here. 1, 2. Yeah. Well, Mama, you can fly. Oh, you're not Mama, you're one of the babies. You look just like your mother. Oh, Mama's out too. Move, stupid. I'm gonna have to make sure and get her up. She's too old to be out there. I don't even know if she can fly. Now that I know I'm not positive for that stuff, I can actually get the kids to help me. Alright. Well, yeah. Get the kids out here to help me out later on. Make sure all my ducks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, they're all here. I wonder what Mama that Fatty was doing out here by herself. It's unusual for Fatty. Usually she's around that rooster at all times. I'm one like got eggs all over the place out here. But yeah, for the most part, everybody's up. I get the kids coming out to catch the other two. What's wrong with y'all? Yeah, they came and put themselves up today. Thank y'all. Yeah, good kids. Wonder how many eggs I got in there. Let me go look. I know I seen one yesterday. Let me look. Oh, Lord. Yep, got a clutch of eggs underneath there. Maybe one of them will go nest for me so I don't have to do it for them. Yes, I hear you. Yeah, one of y'all need to go nest on that. I need some more ducks. Y'all are getting old. I might eat y'all. They're only 2 years old. They're not old. But hey, yeah. Believe it or not, I feel a whole lot better. I think it was the actual not knowing, and it took them forever to get my results back. And I think that's what had me all down and out. But yeah, I'm a lot better now. I can clean my whole house, swept, mop, cook dinner, whole 9 yards. Hey, y'all, you have a good day. God bless. Stay home, stay healthy, and whew.